about the possibilities, enormous possibilities that the state of Odisha holds for the IT and ESD sector. As we can see since morning, we have seen that the government of Odisha has already come up with the long-term IT policy as well as ESDM roadmap for the state of Odisha. And a beautiful presentation has also been made by the government of Odisha. These policies are talking about a lot of incentives and the readiness that are available for the IT. And I am sure that with the incentives and proactive policies in the single window clearance system, promotional measures that our government of Odisha is putting in place would help IT and ESDM industry to set up their operation in the state of Odisha. The IT and ESDM sector as such holds a lot of promises for this country and also for the state of Odisha. We have long way to go. And the states and the locations which would have a clear-cut legal policy and physical infrastructure in place would reap the benefits in the times to come. STPI is working with state of Odisha for last 2 decades, and we have presence in 4 places in the state of Odisha. Upcoming central in Balasore, which is going to come up within 2 years, is also now has been launched, and there are 3 centers that are operational. With the support of the state government and IESA, we are going to have second characterization lab in state of Odisha. This characterization lab is a testing lab for testing the reliability of the chip that will be designed in India, then in Odisha. The first of this kind of lab is going to be established in Bangalore, and it is very heartening to inform the gathering that Odisha is the second state which is going to establish this lab in the state of Odisha. So I am sure that with the establishment of this lab, it would help the ESDM industry to set up the operation in Odisha and have their testing requirement, reliability testing requirement met within the state of Odisha. We are STPI in conjunction with the state government of Karnataka has already submitted a proposal for ESDM incubation center, VLSI incubation center. Another incubation center we have already got approved is with IESA and Delhi University. And I am very happy to inform you that the third preparation and my colleague, the director at STPI Bhubaneswar, is working on it with the support from the state government. We can see that in times to come, many other corporations, IT companies would join and establish their operations. So we can see that the companies are there, the ecosystem is there, the exports are happening, and therefore a lot of manpower is there, all sorts of people are there who are capable of now coming out of these companies and starting their own operations. And that is why the establishment of incubation center across the Odisha is going to help these startup people who are coming and going to establish their startup companies, which is in R&D and innovation kind of thing. With this, I would say that with the policies of the state government and also with the policies of the central government, like National Policy on Information Technology and ESDM policy, I am sure that the industry would definitely take the benefit of the readiness of the state government of Odisha and the infrastructure that is going to come and the policies that are in place to support them. With this, I will conclude.